welcome back to Tips and Tricks. Well, today we are going to be learning about Windows security and all its features. So, most of you have bought antiviruses, but have never thought that Microsoft has own antivirus. So let's have a look at it. So this is the home page. Of course, you have virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control, device security, device performance and health, family options, and of course your settings here. First we'll have a look at virus and threat protection. So you can have a quick scan, or you can go to scan options and make a go full scan or a custom scan or a Microsoft Defender offline scan, which may take about 15 minutes, and you'll have to restart. It's like an offline scan. Then allowed threats, don't allow any threats, okay? And you can go over ransomware protection and all that. And in Windows updates, you get updates for this Microsoft antivirus update and all. Let's go to account protection. You practically don't need an account protection because you do not sign in with a Microsoft account. But if you are signed, better have this checked. Firewall, this is very important. Don't do anything. Everything will be default. Firewall will be switched on. Don't do anything for public network, private network, domain network, nothing. Firewall should be on. And by the way, please don't press any of these things unless you know what you're doing. So this is app and browser control. Well, this is mainly for Microsoft Edge. So for example, you're using another browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, you will be not getting it. So this is for Microsoft Edge, isolated browsing, exploit protection, everything. Device security. Well, we have previously discussed about TPM. Well, this is another way. Core isolation, okay. Security processor, you can view the processor details. See, TPM specification version 2.0. Did not mention it in the previous video about TPM, but you can get it in this way. And secure boot, this is also important for Windows 11. In device health and performance, for have no issues. If you want, you can take a fresh start of clean, up-to-date installation of Windows. Family options. Well, if your accounts are not families, for example, you use family, you want to control, for example, you are a parent and you want to control your child's account, this will be useful for you. And let's have a look at the basic settings. So these are security providers and notifications. That's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.